Boost performance with reliable industrial gearbox solutions. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello everyone and welcome to URGS International. In today's industrial world, efficient power transmission is the backbone of reliable production. Whether it is cement plant, steel mill, mining operation, sugar factory, power plant or manufacturing facility, industrial gearboxes play a critical role in ensuring smooth and efficient operation of equipment. Through our trusted partner manufacturing companies, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited supplies high quality, durable and customized industrial gearboxes to industries worldwide. In this video, we will explore different types of industrial gearboxes, their applications, advantages, and how URGS helps customers improve productivity and equipment reliability. Why industrial gearboxes are important? Industrial machinery often requires varying speeds and torque levels. Gearboxes are designed to reduce or increase rotational speed, multiply torque for heavy-duty applications, improve mechanical efficiency, ensure smooth and reliable operation, minimize wear and tear on equipment, increase equipment life and productivity. Without efficient gearboxes, industrial machines cannot perform reliably under demanding operating conditions. Industries we serve. URGS International provides industrial gearbox solutions to numerous sectors including cement industry, steel plants, mining operations, sugar industries, power generation plants, chemical industries, paper mills, material handling systems, manufacturing industries, food processing industries, marine applications, oil and gas sector. Our gearboxes are designed for demanding industrial environments where reliability and performance are essential. Helical gearboxes. One of the most widely used gearboxes is the helical gearbox. These boxes feature angle teeth that engage gradually, ensuring smooth transmission, low noise operation, high efficiency, long service life. Applications include conveyors, crushers, mixers, compressors, pumps, material handling systems. Advantages: higher load carrying capacity, better efficiency, reduced vibration, minimal maintenance requirements. Helical gearboxes are ideal for continuous duty industrial applications. Bevel helical gearboxes. Bevel helical gearboxes combine the benefits of bevel gears and helical gears. These units are especially useful when power transmission requires a 90-degree change in direction. Applications include cement plants, bucket elevators, cooling towers, conveyors, mining equipment. Benefits include compact design, high torque capacity, excellent efficiency, reliable performance, smooth operation. These gearboxes provide outstanding performance even in severe industrial environments. Now, worm gearboxes. Worm gearboxes are popular for their simplicity and compact design. Key features include high reduction ratios, quiet operation, compact size, self-locking capability. Applications: packaging machinery, material handling equipment, elevators, conveyors, textile machinery, food processing plants. Their smooth operation and cost effectiveness make worm gearboxes suitable for a wide range of applications. Planetary gearboxes. Planetary gearboxes represent advanced power transmission technology. They provide high torque output, compact dimensions, excellent efficiency, low backlash, uniform load distribution. Applications include mining equipment, wind turbines, heavy machinery, extruders, cranes, steel plants, robotics and automation. Planetary gear systems offer exceptional performance where high torque and compact size are required. Now, customized gearbox solutions. Every industry has unique requirements. That is why URGS provides customized gearbox solutions through our partner manufacturing companies. We can supply gearboxes based on required torque, input and output speed, mounting arrangements, shaft configurations, duty cycle requirements, environmental conditions, special materials and coatings. Customized solutions help customers maximize efficiency and achieve optimum performance. Now, why choose URGS International? At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we are committed to delivering value, quality and reliability. Our strengths include trusted manufacturing partners, high quality products, customized engineering solutions, competitive pricing, global supply capability, technical support, timely delivery, focus on customer satisfaction. Our mission is to become a trusted global partner for industrial engineering solutions. At last, conclusion, if you are looking for reliable, efficient and cost-effective industrial gearboxes for your operations, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is ready to support your requirements. Whether you need helical gearboxes, bevel helical gearboxes, worm gearboxes, planetary gearboxes or customized solutions, we are here to help. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. Serving industries worldwide with dependable power transmission solutions. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more engineering, inspection, testing, certification and industrial solutions update. Thank you for watching URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Engineering excellence, delivering reliability worldwide. Thank you.